Hello everyone. Now this opioid antagonist. These opioid antagonists are nothing but antagonists towards the opioid receptor. It is commonly two antagonists are there, naloxone and naltrexone. These are the competitive antagonists that binds to the opioid receptor with higher affinity than antagonists but do not activate the receptor. Basically these are three types. First one is agonist antagonist part. Example is nalorphine, pentazocine, etc. And some second one is partial antagonist, buprenorphine, and selective antagonist is naloxone, naltrexone, and ciprodeine. This agonist and antagonist first, nalorphine. When this at 17th position, this is substituted with allele functional group. N-allyl morphine is a mixed agonist and antagonist action. Not used anymore. Antagonist is restricted to mu only and agonist towards the kappa receptor. The side effect of this nalorphine is dysphoria and psychomimetic effect. Weak receptor antagonist but agonist of mu receptor. One of the most commonly used agent given orally and intramuscularly. Low abuse liability. Uses moderately severe pain in injuries, burns, fractures and trauma. As example is pentazocine. Then partial antagonist is buprenorphine. It is semi-synthetic opioid used to treat opioid addiction. Pharmacological effects are similar to morphine. Has ceiling effect in analgesic and respiratory depression, given sublingually or parenterally but not orally because of the high first pass metabolism. The third one is selective antagonist. It is naloxone. It is displays opioid from opioid receptor in the nervous system. Temporary reverse the respiratory and central nervous depression, may result in sudden onset of opioid withdrawal symptom. Side effect of this naloxones are nausea, vomiting and allergic reactions, some swelling, seizures and chest pain, etc. Then naltrexone. It is an opioid receptor antagonist used primarily in the management of alcohol dependence and opioid dependence. Basically this presentation is only no to structures and classification of opioid antagonists. Means which drug is partial antagonist, which one is the agonist and antagonist action, and this selective antagonist. And the last one is therapeutic uses of this opioid antagonist. It is used in opioid overdose. Opioid agonist antagonist used in the treatment of pain for pre and post operative analgesia. It is in the treatment of morphine poisoning. Naloxone is an emergency reversal of opioid receptor, and naloxone has successfully used in the reduction of gastritis and esophagitis. Thank you. I repeat again, this presentation is only to know which agents are partial, selective and agonist and antagonist. Like these three are the agonist, antagonist. This one is the partial antagonist towards opioid receptor, and this naloxone and naltrexone is selective antagonist towards opioid receptor. Thank you.